Now time for a check of the weather. Meteorologist Rob Sharpe. Rob, it was a big day of storms across the eastern states yesterday. Are we in line for that again today?
Potentially. We'll see how it all pans out, but there's that risk of further severe weather in many locations and, of course, in tropical Queensland, where we've got our tropical low situated just east of Georgetown, dragging areas of rain with it, and there's been some pretty decent falls through the night again. 60 plus for Ayr, Townsville and Ingham, and in between, Rolling Stone and Paluma again leading the charge with totals in excess of 150 millimetres. In terms of the severe storms, they're on the Gulf side of Queensland, but the severe weather warning is running from the northern Goldfields, Upper Flinders, all the way down to Proserpine and the Whitsundays, with potential for totals up to 250 millimetres. There's still major flooding in a string of rivers, including some that aren't even shaded red on this map, such as near the tips of my fingers here, and at Cowan-Yarmouth itself, which picked up 120 millimetres through the night again. But looking at the forecast, that tropical low drifting slowly east, bringing heavy rain today, but by tomorrow it'll be out to sea and the rain will finally be finished. Yes, there'll still be some showers and storms, but the severe weather warnings will be cancelled at that stage. So that is some good news that the end is in sight for Queensland. Meanwhile, for New South Wales, yesterday was a huge day of thunderstorms. We had plenty of hail in some spots, and Sydney copped some exceptional rainfall with flash flooding in many parts of the city, with totals up to 80 millimetres in under an hour at Horsley Park. You could see through the night the storms finished up, but there's a new band of storms from Dubbo to Newcastle at the moment, and that's kind of a line that I think is the dividing line of today's storm. So most of it, I think, will be on that line and north of there. There's still a chance of storms south of that region, such as in Sydney, but I think the more dangerous ones will be in that area further north. Anywhere in the red does have a chance of severe storms today. Heavy downpours the main concern, but some pockets in that north region could see damaging winds and large hail. Elsewhere today, hot and sunny for the middle and down to Adelaide, 39 degrees, and Perth seeing as its coolest weather in 10 weeks, just 25 degrees and a shower or two this morning, as we watch out for a tropical low that could become a cyclone to the northwest. Kenny?
Thanks, Rob.